Hello and welcome to Zippo Lion's Den. Today, or in this video I should say, I would like to show you my first ever armor I picked up. Number 29498 Old Royal Filigree. This is actually a really nice looking lighter. It's E 2019. You can see the armor symbol. It has the filigree design on both sides, front and back, and it's got a really nice good looking insert with it. I've never used this. Really tight hinge. That one is in F 2019. And the case is an E. Means the case is a May 2019 and the insert is a June 2019. It is black ice, which is what they call this kind of chrome. And it was the first ever armor that I ever got, like I had said. Beautiful lighter. They still go close to 50 bucks online, which isn't bad for, a design they don't make anymore. If you like what you see, please hit the like button, subscribe. Anything you do will help. Thank you.